Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Shama Rafiq. You are watching Desi TV USA. Let's have a look on news. Blizzard in Murray has killed 22 people so far at Murray. Blizzard in Murray has killed 22 people so far at Murray police station. Raja Rashid said most of the people who died did not due to cold. They died as they left their heater on the car and they went to sleep. The federal government on Saturday deployed a personnel of Pakistan Army and their civil armed forces for rescue operation in Murray. Pakistani officials burned drugs in Karachi. Large quantity of alcohol were destroyed as part of anti-smuggling campaign. A major attempt to smuggle heroin from Afghanistan to Pakistan was failed. Custom officials said they were trying to smuggle about 200 kilograms of narcotics into Pakistan by hiding them. Such travel vehicles enter Oman border. Such incidents of the drug trafficking have been on the rise in Afghanistan since the Taliban took office. President Joe Biden must deliver on his promise to close Guantanamo Bay Amnesty International. US President Joe Biden has made it clear during the election campaign that he would close to controversial post-9/11 Guantanamo Bay Detention Center, but US lawmaker opposed to the decision. Amnesty International has called on US President Joe Biden to keep the promise to close the Guantanamo Bay Detention Center. The controversial prison built after September 11, 2001 terrorist attack will complete 20 years for the next 20 years. Blizzard in Murray has killed 21 people so far. Rescue 1122. A search operation is underway at the Caldana, but there are some difficulty. Rescue 1122. There is more than 6 feet of snow on the vehicles. German-Russian relations are a host of political differences. Discussing various disputes with Russian President Putin's major test for Germany's new Chancellor Scholz and Foreign Minister Baerbock, because there is a clear difference of opinion between the two on a Berlin-Moscow-linked foreign policy. USA tramps down expectation for the talk with the Russian-aimed Ukraine crisis. USA Secretary of State Antony Blinken said on Sunday he does not expect the breakthroughs in US-Russian security talks the week, but hope to find something common ground aimed at crisis in Ukraine. I don't think we are going to see any breakthrough in the coming week, Blinken said on CNN's State of the Union. That's all for now. Keep watching Desi TV US and visit our website www.desitvusa.com. Fi aman Allah.